Good afternoon and welcome to this workshop on distance learning basics and best practices. My name is Mukunda Krishnaswamy. I'm one of the teaching assistants for this class. I also started Lumos Learning in 2007. Now, we as a society are in the middle of a crisis. We are presented with a plethora of choices as we think about school reopening, and none of them look right. It's overwhelming and frustrating. As a school leader, you're having to make choices that will have a huge impact on the learning outcomes and the safety of thousands of students and families in your community. It's an enormous responsibility. Technology and distance learning are not perfect, but in the current situation, digital learning methods offer a practical and safe way to help our kids continue to learn. But there's no one solution that fits the needs of every district. So it takes planning, ingenuity, leadership, and empathy to stitch together a solution that's meaningful and works well for your school and district. So we have an exciting cohort today. Over 80% of you are principals or assistant principals. We have superintendents, assistant superintendents, directors of curriculum and technology. Your unique experiences truly create an opportunity to learn from each other through this workshop. We have people from over 25 states, from Maine to California, that are registered in this program. So an open dialogue could bring both unique challenges and surprising solutions to the surface. An important part of the symposium is the creation of a distance learning information kit. Your questions, ideas, and insights will be added to this knowledge repository and made available free of charge to educators and school leaders throughout the country. Even this entire course would be made available freely so that other educators can benefit from this knowledge and experience. Again, a very warm welcome to all of you. Hope you will learn a lot and help others learn as well.
Okay, so our goals in this program, I've given some background, our goals in this program is to review with you the challenges with distance learning, to give you the fundamentals of supporting technology, to go through curriculum issues and strategies. This is going to be a little bit more in later sessions. We're going to talk about the importance of organizational structure and staff training, again, a little bit more in later sessions, and socio-emotional support for everyone in the process. And I think this is very important, is that we want to give you a focused solution to what your situation is. And so we want you to feel free. We're going to ask a few people to be volunteers in this process, to come forward and share with us what they're dealing with, what the issues are, and then everyone can share and we can talk about what solutions might be and help you come to a good answer for moving on and solving your problem. So the program structure is flexible and collaborative. We're going to do with these real case studies. We're going to have discussions. We're going to be sharing knowledge and experience. You bring a lot to this. You're all professionals with experience, and we want you to share that knowledge with each other. It's interactive. We're going to use chat along the way. We'll hold some polls and surveys. We're going to provide you with references which will become a sort of curated list of resources that you can go to way after this program is over. So we put a lot of effort into finding what we think are a good list of various types of tools and videos and readings that don't burden you much, that are efficient in terms of using your time, but cover a lot of these issues. we're going to provide everybody with a certificate at the end of the program. And those of you who would like to get continuing education credits or professional development credits, we're registering with the University of Georgia roster for this. But if you'd like us to work with your local organization or your professional organization so that you can use this program for credits, just let us know. We'll do whatever would be helpful in that regard.